Hey guys, it's Myles here and you're back in the MC test kitchen. Tonight we're going to be cooking up a sunflower minced chilli, kidney beans and guac. If you've just come back in from a long day's hard work or you've just come back in for a run, just put the children to bed, because it'll be a really quick 30-minute or less recipe. I'll take you through step by step. So if you're cooking this tonight, cook along with me and we'll eat something delicious at the end of it. So first step, looking at the recipe, I've got it here on my computer. Boil a kettle, as ever with Mindful Chef, right? So let's pop that one on. First thing's going to be getting the rice in to boil. That'll probably be the longest part of this recipe. So it'll take about 20 to 25 minutes to get that brown rice in. Let's go there. Good. Okay, we've actually got some hot water, so get this one in the pan and then we'll just get that one going. Okay, 20 to 25 minutes. If you're like me, quite particular, you can start a little clock over there, get it going, okay. Step 2, place sunflower mince in a bowl. So we've actually got ours in a bowl already, so just take it out if you're at home, pop it into a bowl, and then we've got kind of warm water and we'll leave it for about 10 minutes. So let's use that hot water we just used. Put that one in. There we go. And we'll leave that one now for about 10 minutes, let that soak up, let that really expand and we'll be good to go. Okay, and last thing, step 2, okay, vegetable stock cube with 150 ml water. So let's get this one going as well. Very nice. Good, okay. Okay. So just sit that one over there. Leave that one to go. Right, there we go. 2 minutes in, 2 steps down. Right, what have we got next? Finely diced red onion and the red pepper. Nice, let's do that. Let's move all of these out of the way. Okay, let's start with the red pepper first. Red pepper, red onion. It's been a long day already. You can tell. Right, some in. Right guys, so if you're cooking along at home, just pause at any time if you need to stop or just follow another step. We've also got a really good cooking video, like chef's tip on onions, if you want to dice and you want to learn how to do it a bit more. So what we're going to do is just make 2 sort of incisions, okay, like this, horizontally first. Okay, and this is going to allow you to get really nice thin chopping of the onions, okay. We're just going to go vertically down. Okay, and then just run the knife through all of that, and then you get those nice small pieces there. Nice diced onion, there we go. Let's turn this rice down slightly. There we go, red pepper. Let's see this one. Okay, both red onion, red pepper dice. What else have we got this way? Okay, drain and rinse the red kidney beans. Let's grab these. So sieve. Perfect. Okay, great. Right, 3 steps down. Okay, about 6 minutes in. What's up next? Okay, so heat a large pan, teaspoon of oil, medium heat. And we're going to cook the onions first, okay? So up a bit. Okay, a little bit of oil. All right. Let's get that onion in. Nice. Good. we'll do this on for 5 minutes and then we'll add the red pepper in. Right. Okay, so we've got the rice going, got the onion in, got the mince going, got our stock, make sure that's mixed in. Okay, good. Okay, we're gonna keep stirring it, and then at the same time, we'll actually make a start on the guacamole. Let's cut into the avocado. Be careful when trying to get the stone out. Okay. Okay, so if you want sort of a, mushy guac, you don't want big bits, then what you can do is make little incisions. Watch your hands when doing this. Okay, you can just sort of cross it over, make a cross stitching across like that, and that'll just make the pieces a bit smaller, sort of when you pick it out with the spoon. Go like that. As you see, in here, just bits. Yeah. And then you want to keep your eye on the onions while they're cooking off that 5 minutes as well. Okay, so instructions say grab a fork for this guacamole. I'm just going to force it down a little bit, squash it down. Sun's come out, what a beautiful evening. Okay, keep going. Right, what's going on? These onions moving. Okay, you want to keep going. You've got about another minute or so. So we just want to, for this guac, take this coriander, okay, little tip, fold it over like that, so it sort of doubles up, and then you just want to run your knife through it. Like that, nice and quickly. And then it makes chopping herbs really easy and quick. Okay, then we're going to get some of those in the guac, just like that. Bit of pepper, half a juice from the lime, right? So let's get the lime. There we go, good. Okay, a bit of salt, a bit of pepper. Keep the onions moving, there we go. And then just mix all of that together. You've made yourself a delicious little guac, nice and easy. Nice, right. Peppers in. Okay, so we've got the peppers in now for 2 minutes. Go back a couple of steps. Those in there. Okay, and all we're going to do, 2 minutes here. Okay, let's get all the spices in here. Okay, spice mix, and then chilies. So I'll give that about half a minute. Kidney beans, right, so we need to drain this one out along with the kidney beans. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll get the kidney beans in first, and then we'll use that one for the mince. Let's get these in. There we go. These in there. There we go. They've got mince. Good. The sunflower mince straight in, back in the sink. Stir all of that. Let's cut that lid off. There we go. Passata in. And then you just want to add that vegetable stock that we had going earlier as well. Beautiful. Okay, and then just mix it all together. And then what we're going to do is we'll pop a little lid on and let that sort of simmer off for about 10 minutes or so. Right, okay. 5 minutes left. I'm just gonna take that lid off and allow the sauce to sort of reduce down a little bit and throw it everywhere. I'm also going to add in the rest of our coriander. Let's get this in there, stir that through. And then pretty much, as these 5 minutes are done, we'll be ready to plate up. So rice is pretty much ready, just finishing off, and it'll be good to go. There you go, guys. 28 minutes or less, sunflower minced chili, kidney beans and guac. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope that was nice and easy, straightforward. I'm gonna go and enjoy this meal now. Have a good evening. See you later.